Summertime is a fun time in our household, and that means we bake almost every day. Today we're making Auntie Anne's pretzels. The ingredients will be written in the description. So we added 2 cups of flour to our mixing bowl, then we added 2 teaspoons of yeast, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of sugar, and stirred the dried ingredients together. Next, we added 1 1/4 cups of water and 1/4 cup of olive oil. Ensure that the liquid is between 100 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Start to combine the ingredients until it's time to knead. If the dough is sticky, add a bit more flour and knead for about 10 minutes until the dough is soft. It's time to proof the dough, so in a bowl add a bit of oil and rub some on the dough as well so that the dough has free movement when it's rising. Cover with a clean towel and keep in a dry, warm place for about an hour. After an hour, the dough will double in size. Lightly flour a clean surface and place the dough on it. You don't need to deflate because when making the pretzel, you'll be rolling the dough back and forth, and that will get rid of the excess gas. We formed balls the size of the pretzels we wanted, just as shown. The pretzels were allowed to rest for another 15 minutes. While they were resting, we placed a pot of 4 parts water to boil, then we added 1 part baking soda. It was time to form the pretzel shape. As you can see, this process was giving me some difficulty, but I made it through. I'm not a professional. Keep rolling the dough back and forth to a desired length and then make the pretzel shape. I really should have shown another example of how these are made, but that got deleted. I then added the pretzel to the baking soda water and immersed for about 10 seconds and transferred to a greased baking sheet. If you have parchment paper, you can line your baking sheet with it. After all the pretzels were done, we baked at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes or until golden brown. While they were baking, we prepared the cinnamon sugar mixture. We used a 4-to-1 ratio, 4 parts sugar and 1 part cinnamon. Then we melted 4 tablespoons of butter. After the pretzels were baked, we quickly brushed them with melted butter and sprinkled them with the cinnamon sugar. By this time, baby girl came around wondering what was taking so long. These were absolutely delicious, pillowy soft and yummy. Subscribe for more.